Hi everyone. Welcome to this class on creating repeating patterns in Adobe Fresco. We'll be using the symmetry tool and pixel brushes to create beautiful intricate mandalas and then turn them into seamless repeating patterns. Mandalas, or mandalas as we say in my native language, have always held deep cultural and spiritual meaning. Growing up, they were a natural part of my world, woven into rituals and daily life. Whether you're just discovering mandala art or you've been drawing them for years, you'll be amazed at how effortlessly you can create complex, mesmerizing design using just a few simple strokes. By end of this class, you'll know how to use Adobe Fresco symmetry tool for mandala creation, work with pixel brushes for rich, textured effects, turn your mandalas into repeating patterns, and build a collection by recoloring your designs efficiently. If you join me for my previous class where we learned all about fresco and creating repeating patterns using vector brushes, this will be a perfect next step. So grab your stylus or Apple Pencil, open up Adobe Fresco, and let's dive into the world of mandala patterns and pixel magic.